What if I told you that the electric toothbrush industry has been running the oldest trick in consumer goods on you for years? That the companies selling you $400 toothbrushes know full well that a brush at a quarter of the price cleans your teeth just as effectively, and that the dentists who actually treat patients every single day have been quietly telling anyone who'll listen that the premium you're paying is going toward AI apps you'll never open, smart displays you'll never read, and replacement heads designed to drain your wallet 3 months at a time? The people who actually know, the dental professionals, the independent testers, the reviewers who tear these things apart, they've been saying the same thing for years. The gap between a $40 brush and a $150 one is mostly marketing. And once you understand that, you'll never look at the toothbrush aisle the same way again. Here's what we're doing today. We're exposing the brands robbing you blind and revealing the ones that are genuinely worth your money. And I'll tell you right now, the brand sitting at number 1 on our Worth It list is one you might never have heard of. A company built around sustainability and free repairs that matches the cleaning power of Oral-B and Sonicare at a fraction of the long-term cost. And at number 2, there's a $30 toothbrush delivering 31,000 strokes per minute, the same core sonic technology as models costing twice as much. You're not going to want to miss those. Hit that subscribe button, because every week we post videos that cut through the marketing noise and show you exactly where your money should and should not be going. Here are 5 electric toothbrush ripoffs, paired with 5 worth your hard-earned cash. Ranked from overpriced to absolutely criminal. Number 5. The Quip Original, the sleek subscription trap that underdelivers where it counts. Quip built its reputation on Instagram-worthy design and a convenient subscription model that ships you new heads automatically. Sounds great on paper, but here's what most people miss. That subscription convenience masks a brutal cost structure. Quip heads run about $5 each. The Oral-B Pro 1000 costs the same $45 to start, but sells you 8 replacement heads for $13. That's $1.63 per head versus $5. Over 2 years, you're paying 3 times more per head for a brush that multiple independent reviews describe as a middle ground between a manual toothbrush and a real electric one. You don't get the cleaning power boost you'd expect compared to brushes from Sonicare and Oral-B. The testing backs this up. Reviewer after reviewer flags the same issues: underwhelming vibration, fragile build quality. One long-term Quip user reported that every single toothbrush they owned from the brand over 6 years broke. Every single one. Here's how to actually use this information. If you're currently on a Quip subscription, compare your per-head cost against the Oral-B compatible heads sitting at $24 to $40 a year. The math will make the decision for you. Quip gets a pass because the marketing is beautiful, but beautiful marketing is probably sitting on your bathroom counter right now doing less than you think. Number 4, the Oral-B IO Series 10, the $400 flagship that can't justify its own price tag. This brush launched in early 2026 at $350 to $400, making it one of the most expensive electric toothbrushes on the planet. It has an IO Sense charging stand, a color display, and multiple brushing modes. And according to Electric Teeth's own review, it isn't perfect, and the price is simply ludicrous, with no justification for the spend compared to other Oral-B models. Think about that, $400. The IO Sense stand gives you at-a-glance brushing feedback, but that feedback won't clean your teeth any better than a $60 Oral-B IO Series 2. The testing confirms it. Independent reviewers found the IO 10's battery lasted just 22.5 days, and IO models with displays can suffer from excessive battery drain, sometimes giving you only 10 to 12 days of use. You're paying a premium for a screen that's killing your battery life. Here's how to actually use this information. If you want the IO cleaning experience, grab the IO Series 3 at around $60. It's the cheapest brush in the IO range that includes the advanced pressure sensor dentists actually recommend. The IO 10 gets attention because it's the flashiest thing on the shelf. But flashy is probably what's draining your wallet right now for features you'll forget about in a week. Number 3, the Philips Sonicare 9900 Prestige. The prestige tax that dentists themselves can't justify. This is Sonicare's most expensive model ever, with a retail price of $400, commonly discounted to around $320. It features artificial intelligence-driven brushing guidance and a premium travel case. And Electric Teeth's verdict is devastating. Expensive for a toothbrush, there is limited justification to pay this much when other Sonicare brushes at half the price clean the teeth just as well. Their top dentist-recommended electric toothbrush costs about a quarter of the price. The numbers don't lie. Replacement heads for the 9900 run about $10 each. Over 3 years, your total cost of ownership hits $430. A mid-range Sonicare like the 4100 costs $45 upfront with the same core cleaning technology. The 9900's premium comes down to brand positioning, artificial intelligence capabilities, and that travel case. Whether it's worth it depends entirely on whether you'll actually open the companion app, and most people don't. Here's how to actually use this information. If you want Sonicare's cleaning power, start at the 4100 and see if you miss anything. You won't. The 9900 gets overlooked as a ripoff because the word prestige does heavy lifting, but prestige pricing is probably what's been quietly robbing you blind. If you're starting to see the pattern, if you're realizing that the most expensive toothbrush on the shelf has almost nothing to do with the cleanest teeth in the room, do me a favor and hit that like button. It helps this reach people who actually want to spend smarter on their health. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you belong here. Number 2, the Philips Sonicare 1100. The $30 Sonic secret hiding in plain sight. At $29.99, this brush delivers genuine sonic action at 31,000 strokes per minute. That's the same core technology powering the $70 Sonicare 4100 and functionally identical to what is inside the $400 9900 Prestige. Dr. Sharples, a dentist featured in TechRadar's coverage, recommends choosing a brush with a 2-minute timer and a pressure sensor, and the 1100 nails the timer at a price point that removes every excuse not to switch from manual brushing. Every pro who's reviewed this category knows it. The Sonicare 1100 exists to address the price objection, and it does so without cutting corners on the one thing that matters, moving bristles across your teeth at clinical-grade speed. Here's how to actually use it. Buy the 1100, pair it with any compatible Sonicare replacement head, and brush twice a day for 2 minutes with the built-in timer. That's it. That's the whole protocol. This brush gets overlooked because it doesn't have an app, a color display, or a premium case. It just cleans your teeth for $30. The 1100 is probably sitting on the shelf right next to the model that costs 10 times more. And it's been waiting for you to notice. Number 1, the Suri 2.0, the sustainable powerhouse that matches the giants and outlasts them all. Suri, short for Sustainable Rituals, approaches the electric toothbrush market with a focus most brands ignore entirely: environmental sustainability, repairability, and reducing plastic waste. The handle is constructed from fully recyclable aluminum with an IPX7 waterproof rating. And here is the detail that separates it from everything else on this list. The manufacturer offers a free repair service to extend the product's lifespan. At roughly $95 to $100, it sits in mid-range territory. But your total cost of ownership drops dramatically when the handle is designed to last years longer than the competition, and the company will fix it for free when something goes wrong. Teardowns confirm it. Independent reviewers found the Suri 2.0 is on par with Sonicare and Oral-B equivalents in cleaning performance, features, and price, but its sustainability pledges go a step further. It charges via USB-C, the only universal format you're already carrying that cable for. No proprietary dock, no friction when traveling. Here's how to actually use it. Buy the Suri 2.0, swap heads every 3 months per AD. Guidelines, and know that when something wears down, you send it back and they fix it. Free. The brush gets overlooked because Suri doesn't have the marketing budget of Procter & Gamble or Philips, but the best brush in the category is probably the one built to never become landfill, waiting for you to find it. If you made it all the way to the end, you've just learned something most people never will: that the toothbrush industry's pricing has almost nothing to do with how clean your teeth get, and almost everything to do with how much they think you'll pay for a color screen and an app. Smash that like button if this changed how you think about the toothbrush sitting on your bathroom counter. Drop a comment and tell me which one surprised you most. Team Suri, Team Sonicare 1100, Team Oral-B IO3. I read every comment. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss a video. I'd love to have you on this journey with us. Remember, sometimes the best toothbrush isn't the one behind the $400 price tag. Sometimes it's the $30 brush on the bottom shelf, waiting for you to pick it up.